it's not enough. Few solid left, but it's not enough. Few better really step, but it's not enough. Say bigger than myself, but it's not enough.
We bought an Akrapovič exhaust, which is the Rolex of car exhausts.
Yeah.
And you talked me into it. I didn't take much convincing.
How's that for a thumbnail? We're under an RS6.
We're not. Now we are.
Now we are. Stock exhaust.
Stock exhaust. Boring exhaust.
Yeah. It's a pretty ugly brute of an exhaust,
I mean,
actually.
it's there to do a job, isn't it? Like,
Look at that.
that is so nice.
Made by hand in the factory, by the way, because all these bits are so intricate.
Yeah, I mean, you can see like the whole weave of the carbon is all one direction. It's all cut perfectly.
That is the full back boxes, like both of them. And I am not struggling to lift that. That's bloody lovely.
That's very nice.
It's so light. Like, it's ridiculous.
The Acra logo's here.
Yeah.
Those welds are so good.
It's so smart.